Welcome to my code tutorials YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can write a C program to check whether a number is even number or odd number. Now the question is, how can we say whether a number is even number or odd number? Now in order to say whether a number is even or odd, what we do is we take the number. For example, let us say the number is 16. We take this number and we divide it by 2 and we check for the remainder value. In this case, when we divide this 16 by 2, we get remainder 0. If the remainder is 0, then we say this number is even number. If we get the remainder of non-zero, then we say this number is odd number. For example, if we divide the number 17 by 2, then we get 1 as the remainder. So this number 17 is odd number. Now let us see how we can write a C program for this. In this program, what we do is we will ask the user to enter the number and then we will check whether that number is even or odd, and then we will display the output. So the first thing that we do is we will define the variables that we need. In this program, we need a variable for storing the number that the user is going to enter, and I will call this variable as number, and I have taken integer type. The next thing that we do is we will ask the user to enter the number. So it will be printf, and I will state the message as enter a positive integer, and after seeing this message, the user will enter a number. We will read that using the scanf function. Here the format specifier will be %d, and we have to provide the address of the variable. In this case, the variable name is number, and in order to get the address of this variable, we have to use this ampersand symbol, also known as the address of operator. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to check whether this number is even or odd. In order to say that, first we have to divide this number by 2 and we have to get the remainder value. In C programming, if you want to get the remainder value when you divide a number by another number, then you can use the modulus operator, which is denoted by this % symbol. In this program, we want to divide the value present in this number variable by 2 and we want the remainder value. In order to get that, we have to write number modulus operator 2. It will divide the value that the user has entered, which is in this number variable, by 2, and it will provide us the remainder value. Now here, in order to store this remainder value, I will create another variable of type integer and I will call this as remainder. So here it will be remainder equal to number modulus operator 2. Now the last thing that we have to do is we have to check whether this remainder is 0 or non-zero. So we will use the if conditional statement, and here we will write the condition whether the remainder variable is containing a value which is equal to 0. If it is so, then we will use the printf function and we will say %d is an even number, and then we will refer the number variable, and after that we will have the else block which will be executed if this remainder value is a non-zero value. In that case, we will say number is odd number. So here we will say number is an odd number. Okay, that's it. We have written the program in here. The next thing that we do is we will run this. Now here it says enter a positive integer. I will enter 3. It says 3 is an odd number. I will run it one more time, and this time I will enter 8 and it will say 8 is an even number. So this is it, guys. This is how we can write a simple C program to check whether a number is even number or odd number. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.